Asuntoskeittiö ohjas.
This is also amazing today on the 28th of September 2022. And what was the address again?
Valjaskatu 2.
What?
Valjaskatu 2.
Valjaskatu, yeah. Valjaskatu 2 to 4.
Ah.
Say. I think it was 2 to 4.
I haven't said, but... Yeah, it's just 2, I think. For some reason.
I don't know why it says 2 to 4 outside.
Yeah, but here it says only 2.
Okay, but then we'll say it's 2.
Yeah.
But we filmed this take here before. Now both of our final films, completely impossible to get inside. It's here in Metsäkangas, Lahti, Finland. It was built in 1975. 45 is sold in 2020. The number is H35629. And there will be only one single on the way to be filmed in Metsäkangas for me later. I will get to it later. The 8 floors here. The capacity is 4 persons in 20 grams. And will be expected in the next year, 2023. Why is it not reacting? I love the sound, I smell and the sounds in here.
The same.
But it smells like somebody's cooking here. But I'm cooking something good.
Kiva, jos pitää meitä Kone.
I also like this olive brown color.
Same, yeah.
Yes.
That's